Are you shy? If you're shy, this video is perfect for you because I found a way where you can be behind the camera, don't show your face, and make $54 per hour by using this very simple method. So let's get started right now. All right, so what I'm going to show you today is actually going to be online typing. It's online typing. There's going to be jobs online here where you can work from home and just do typing things for other people. It's going to be very easy. So if you're not good at typing though, I'm going to give you this one site that's going to improve your typing, okay? So before I show you that, you should see what an online typist can earn. So anywhere from like $16,000 to all the way to over $100,000. Okay, having about 46,000 as an average, but it could get as high as 109,000. So it's actually something really worth looking into if you want to work from home. And this method, you don't need to show your face, and so you can be a shy person if you like and make money online this way. So what you can do is use a site like this. This is at typing.com. This is not one of the sites that's going to pay you, but why I'm showing this to you is because I want you to get good at typing, okay? So there are tests that you can do to practice. So you could scroll down to the bottom of the site and go to typing tests, and you could take these 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute tests over and over again until you get really good at it. So to get good at typing is just a matter of practice. Just like anything else you want to do in life, practice makes perfect, and it's really true. So once you get really good at it, what you're going to do now is go to the money making sites, okay? So the first one I'm going to show you is at rev.com. So at rev.com, they provide services like transcription, captions, and foreign subtitling for other people. So people who wants their audio or video files transcribed or get captions added or have foreign subtitles, they come to a company like this and get it done. So for you and me who wants to do the typing, for this one, you just scroll down to the bottom. So you're going to come down to About right here, and you're going to click on this Freelancers, okay? So once I click there, I come to here. Freelancing jobs, work from home with Rev. Earn money transcribing or captioning from home. Create a flexible work schedule. Choose hundreds of jobs, and you could get paid weekly. So you're going to be paying very fast, and it's going to be using PayPal, which is so convenient. So as a transcriptionist, you can earn anywhere from 24 cents to 90 cents per minute. And then as a captioner, you can earn 45 to 75 cents per minute here as well. And if you know another language and be a subtitler, wow, you're gonna make a lot more money if you can do that. Okay, $1.50 to $3. It's gonna be insane, okay? So that's a lot of money, guys, okay? So the second site I want to show you where you can do this at is called 1-888 Typeitup. So this is the name down here on the left here. You see this name. The URL is 1-888typeitup.com. That's all you gotta use to get to the site, okay? So this is the front page of it. And if you want to do the transcribing or doing the typing for them, you just gotta come down here to applicant FAQ, okay? So applicant FAQ is going to show you how to apply. So you're going to have to apply within this one, not over here on the bottom. This is for clients who wants to use their service, okay? So if you want to be a typist on here, you need to go applicant FAQ, and then it'll get to this page. Then you can look for the information here or click this apply button right there. So let's take a look. They don't require experience, by the way. They do not require. So you can actually get better and better as you go on here, okay? So this is a great one. If you don't have any experience, that's okay. In addition, so what they're looking for, the highest accuracy possible, obviously. As such, proofreading your work word for word against the audio is critical, and a high quality set of headphones is necessary for this. We require accurate formatting and style too. So they have different things for this company. So you may want to try this one, but I do want you to pay attention to their pay here, okay? In the beginning here, they're talking about the clients paying them, but here, we strive as much as possible to pay our transcriptionists $1 to $2 per audio minute. Guys, this is very, very high paying and up depending on audio quality and special features. So basically, our full pay scale ranges from 50 cents per minute to $3 per audio minute, which works up to 180 per hour, guys, okay? That is insane, okay? That is a lot of money. And look, is there an age limit to apply? You only need to be 14 years old to work for them. And if you're under 18 age, you just need to have your parent provide you with a PayPal account. So that is very cool, all right? And I think for the first one though, for Rev here, it is 18 and up. I just looked it up on the internet and they actually just recently changed it to 18 plus. So that's too bad. But I guess the quality was not there and that's why they changed it. So you know, if you are going to work for this company, which is 1888 Typeitup, you better make sure that if you're under 18 years old, you better do a good job or else they'll probably change this as well. So you can try it for now and make sure you do a good job, okay? To keep other teenagers being able to apply as well, okay? So, and if you're outside of the US, can you do it? Yes, you can do it for non-US clients, okay? So if they have non-US clients, you can do it for them. And how do you get paid? You're going to get paid on the 15th and the last day of the month, so they get paid twice and it's all through PayPal as well. So this is a great choice, guys, okay? The last one I want to show you is called Writer Access at writeraccess.com. So this one's going to be a little bit different. It's not a transcribing or captioning website service, but they do have some other projects that people could come here to do. So it could be anything from, you know, a blog post or writing for a social media post or some kind of other type of writing. So they always will give you some sort of a project to do. And so this is going to be a little bit different than the other one. And that's why I wanted to show it to you. It's not just going to be transcribing. So let me go to freelancers and see how this works. So you could join their pool of freelance writers, editors, content strategists, and translators. Earn the best pay rates and get tools and resources for career advancement. So you just gotta apply very easily, and it's for US, United Kingdom, Australia, Canada, Ireland, and New Zealand. So it has a few countries there. Then you're going to do some tests first because they want to make sure they have quality people. And so you might want to practice your typing and all that and make sure you could type for them. And so this is the pay. You're going to earn the best pay, guys, okay? Like earn 3 cents to $2 per word. This is insane, okay? I tell you right now, so if like I have my blog workanywherenow.com, right? And if I were to hire a writer, I would pay probably $50 for like a 1,000 word post, okay? $50 for a 1,000 word post. It's only 5 cents per word, and you're going to get $2 per word. Holy smokes. So it just depends on what you're writing, I guess, to get that $2 per word. But wow, that is amazing pay rate, and that's why this site is really good to check out as well. So all you gotta do is apply. Then you're going to do some tests. So basically, you're just testing so that you can see what pay rate you're going to get. And then you can just start getting into their system so you can get writing jobs, okay? The only problem with these 3 websites and this type of work is that you are still trading time for money, okay? And if you don't want to trade time for money, you may just want to check out something like this where you can actually make a passive online income by writing for yourself. And this platform is going to train you on how to do that, okay? So Wealthy Affiliate is a website that is a training platform. So they train people on how to build a blog website. So you can write about the topic that you love, okay? And then Wealthy Affiliate is going to teach you how to monetize that blog with affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing is a business model where you can promote other people's products and earn commission when somebody buys from your affiliate links. And Wealthy Affiliate has trained me so well how to do this that I became a super affiliate on their platform by building my workanywherenow.com website. So I've been there since 2016, and this is a site that you could jump on for free so that you can check it out, okay? See, no credit card required here, but if you are serious about this, it's highly recommended that you upgrade to premium so that you can get me as your free coach if you use the link down below, okay? If you use this link, workanywherenow.com/Team Littlemama, then you can sign up with me because that's my affiliate link. And then I'm going to give you free coaching on the platform so that you have somebody to ask questions to, somebody who knows what they're doing, somebody who's been through the training and have success with it. So you can log on for free, look up Littlemama here, and find my profile so that you can see my success stories one after another on my profile. So you can read all about my journey on there and see how I've been making money with this program and how you can do it too if you like to write and you like to type. And if you're shy, this is literally the best way for you to build an online business and make passive online income so you're not trading time for money, okay? So this is the best way to go about working online and doing online typing, okay, is to build yourself an online business, and using Wealthy Affiliates training is going to help you massively. And then also using my affiliate link, workanywherenow.com/Team Littlemama, it's going to even get you even more advantage because I'm going to be the one helping you on the inside. All right, guys, so I really hope you will join me and check it out. So why this business model works so well is because you're able to work on your own schedule as well as earn any time of the day. So you could be sleeping, playing, or on vacation, and you can still be earning and work whenever you feel like it, okay? So I've been using this business model since 2016, and I'm able to generate a full-time online income with this method, and I know you can too with the right guidance, and Wealthy Affiliate has the right guidance. So please use workanywherenow.com/Team Littlemama, and I hope to really help you in the near future, okay? I also give you bonuses on your profile as well, so look out for that when you sign up, okay? So don't forget, please give me a big thumbs up underneath this video if you find this video valuable to you, and if you haven't already, smash that free badge, okay? And don't forget, hit that notification bell so you can see when my videos come out, because I come out with videos every single week, but I have no idea when they come out, so get notified, okay? So I'll see you on the next one. Bye.